Peter's going to demonstrate how to use the tripod in the field so that you can record yourself. So the first thing you want to do is extend the legs. Now you can extend them all the way out. We use the table in this case. Make sure the iPad looks good. The camera is in the right position. Take out the cage. If it doesn't extend that way, unlock it from the back. Make sure the iPad is facing you. And then make sure the cage is nice and snug on the iPad, and then turn the knob. And then check to see if everything is nice and tight. It looks good. Okay, so let's take off the quick release plate from the head. There is a screw there, and then unscrew that. And then there's another screw on the plate that you put on the base of the cage. You don't need any tools. You can tighten hand tight. Take the iPad and the cage and put it back with the quick release plate on the head, and align that. Make sure you align it, and then make sure you tighten the screw correctly. Okay, that looks pretty secure. Then, as you can see, the iPad is facing you. You set it up so that you can start recording. Get at a nice distance, and then start recording and talk. All right, have fun.